Hello everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you all back into another video. And in today's video we are looking into a fitness tracker by BAKEEE model E66. Come with the fantastic features like a thermometer, ECG plus PPG, heart rate and blood pressure monitor, along with the SpO2 monitor. Fully waterproof, come with a rating of IP68, USB charging. No need to carry any extra cables at all. And let's not forget that this fitness tracker also comes with all standard features like a pedometer, monitor your tracking, alarm, notification, reminders. Everything within this small package is available for you to enjoy. All the features which I have mentioned to you, will be checking them all out as well. Package include user guide, instruction for ECG test method, and a quality certificate. In last but not least, we have a fitness tracker. Now in front of fitness tracker, we have a LCD screen, a multifunctional button in the middle, which will also act like a front electrode plate for your ECG. And on the back, we have a left and right electrode, heart rate sensor in the middle, so as the temperature sensor. Charging port is very nicely defined in here with the USB sign, which will be exposed by pulling this stripe out. And you can charge it by simply using any USB port. While charging, you also get to see status indicator light too. Now overall, from the design side, everything seems to be on the place where it should be on this fitness tracker. No doubt whatsoever, pretty decent design and straightforward to work with. Now once you got the fitness tracker on your wrist, it's pretty decent and comfortable to wear. Have not seen much of the problem at all with it. Belt is bit tough, which is what you want. You don't want the soft ones. Soft ones usually create the problem. And smartwatch activation when you move your wrist works great. Now application which you need to install on your mobile phone to work with this fitness tracker is available for Android as well as for iOS users. We are on Android mobile phone, so we're going to search within Google Play Store for Smart Health by YC Co Limited. Open it up and install it straight away. Now if you do not have account with a Smart Health application, you have to create one. But if you do not want an account with them, just simply skip it. That will be good too. Now on the dashboard of your application, click to connect a device. If your device is already not connected with the application, then click onto the refresh button right in here and make sure that Bluetooth of your mobile phone is also turned on. Now in here, you're going to see the model which is of your fitness tracker. Click on it and wait for the connection to be successful. And you're also going to see the notification on top left hand corner of your smartwatch that you are connected. Now here, you need to create your profile. Type in all your information. Smart Health mobile phone application for this fitness tracker is fantastic to work with. Straight away on the dashboard, you're going to see all information, that how many steps you have taken, calorie you have burned, and distance you traveled, and how long you were faster running as well. Next is the ECG detection, which is a quite comprehensive and AI enabled data, following with the blood pressure, your heart rate, how is it doing. You can go into it and it can actually show you with respect to the time how it was doing. You can also set the alarms as well, that even is reaching quite high, it will warn you. You have a sleeping pattern recording option, so as your blood oxygen saturation level, ending with the temperature data. Now all the important your fitness tracking data is available right on the dashboard. Then you have an activity tab where you can activate it and run your bodybuilding, riding, and whatever sports you like to do, and start the activity. Now remember, this fitness tracker does not come with the GPS, so you have to use your mobile phone GPS location. Next option is the care, but for that option to work with, you have to create account with the Smart Health application. I have not really done it, so I'm not really much of bother going into it. Now is the setting, which is a very important option in here. You can set up your target, that how many steps you would like to set a goal for one day, how many hours of sleep you would like to go for, and the units, the way you're going to measure the distance, weight, time, temperature, and your length. You can set them all up as well in here. Altogether, you have a 4 watch face selection in here, starting with the theme 1, theme 2, theme 3, and 4. And I'm sure you're going to find the one which suit your taste, no problem whatsoever. Next tab you have is a notification, which means that you can receive, if there's any message comes on your mobile phone, you get to notify it on your fitness tracker. At the same time, you can also get to be notified for the call you receive too. Sedentary reminder, you can set up an alarm clock or a real-time heart rate monitor, which I've set to monitor every 20 minutes. You can customize it how you want it within this tab in as well. So as the temperature monitor, again, I have set the interval, which is at 20 minutes. You can change it if you want to, and also set the limit as well, which I set to 38. Then you have a find your device heart rate alert, which you can set. Wristband brightness control, you can control the brightness as well of your wristband. Wearing position, you can go for the left, right, whatever. And screen intensity, which you can change as well, rather than going into the smart fitness tracker. Everything can be done from here, and do not disturb and reset kind of options are available as well. Now within your device setting tab, you also get to notify about your device battery life too. Not that bad. The tiny operating system which is running on this fitness tracker is very user friendly and straightforward to work with. By single press on this multifunctional button in the front, you can navigate throughout the whole menu, where you're going to see information about your temperature, heart rate, ECG, and so much more available in here. And assuming if you like to go into the sports mode, go down to sports mode area, press and hold on it, and off you go. To activate the running, press again and hold it. It will start sports mode, where you will be taking heart rate as well as how many steps you have taken and time you ran for. To get out of this, press and hold this menu button again, and you are straight out of it. That's how easy and straightforward it is. Now to get out of the sports menu, go onto the back and press hold on the multifunctional button. By using the similar method, you can go actually into the setting up menu, where you have access, where you have an option to turn on wrist activation, control your brightness, reset your wristband, and shut off your wristband if you want to. Now this fitness tracker comes with a multiple of sensors to measure your fitness and provide you the accurate readings. Equipped with the body temperature sensor, which will measure the body temperature and display you within 5 seconds that how's your body temperature doing, and you can actually match it with other devices if you want to. Next thing you have is a BPMs, which is heart rate. It will be recording it first, and once the readings are successful, you're going to hear a beep, a vibration sound on it. So we are actually getting 98 BPMs. Let's confirm this all by using this oximeter, which is kind of not that far out actually, guys. You can see that only 1 or 2 BPMs out. That's about it. And the SpO2 from oximeter we are getting is a 97%. And on smartwatch you also have a SpO2 reader, which is getting again 97%, which is oxygen saturation in your blood, and the readings are comparable with the oximeter, and they both are accurate and same as well. You can also measure your blood pressure. And once the readings are successfully received by a fitness tracker, you're going to hear the vibration sound. And I do not have any instrument to confirm that these readings are good or bad. Now after blood pressure, you have the next one, which is for the ECG. And for ECG function to work, you have to use the Smart Health application. By opening your application and going down into the ECG detection area, by clicking onto the play button here, and start the test, where you need to put your finger right in here. And once test is started, you're not supposed to say anything or anything like that, because that will cause a bit of problem on your heart rate. You can see that on mine. going up and down a little bit very badly. So once your ECG test is completed, you're going to see ECG AI analytic report, which will tell you how's your heart rate was doing and what they diagnosed it on it. If there is any symptom of weirdness, they will also show you. Do not 100% believe on a smartwatch results, but something is there for you to look into. Now, part of getting mobile phone notification works fine, no problem whatsoever with it. Let me show you one example right in here. Fitness tracker will notify you, and whatever messages have been received in the back, actually they will be also available too. By going into the message area, you can open this one up and you can read the messages very clearly too, no problem whatsoever with it. I was expecting to see the call notification as well, which I can tell from the application side that it is selected to work, but I don't see it at all. So I'm getting a call on my mobile phone, but no notification on smartwatch. But to be honest with you, it's not really a deal breaker for me at all. Now here we are in the end of this video, and I try to show each and every feature offered by this fitness tracker by BAKEEE. Within the smartwatch, you also get to see the weather information too. And for the price you are paying, you also get to see the notification of your mobile phone straight on your smart fitness tracker. Within the setting, you got a very limited areas, straightforward option guys. As soon you get the notification on your mobile phone, smartwatch notify you too. Application part works great as well, no problem whatsoever with it. Display seems to be working fine and effective as well. Somehow my camera is unable to capture its brightness right in here, but to be honest with you, I can actually see whatever it is on it in a bright daylight as well. Now fitness tracker is also rated IP68 water resistant. So what I've been doing maximum out of it is basically washing my hands with it, taking shower with it, but the cold one, you cannot use the hot water around it. So that's the key to remember. Now that will be completely all from my side guys. If you're interested in purchasing this BAKEEE fitness tracker, link for that is available in the video description. Or if you still have any more questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Now that will be all from my side guys completely. Thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.